Going on, everyone? Sam here with Layton Sports Cards, doing the rant. Or no, not doing the rant. I'm not doing the rant for anything. We're ripping 24 Topps Chrome Baseball Update Sapphire Edition, 5-box break number 14. Pick your team style. Names and teams. Got Alan S. with the Guardians, A's. Alex K. Dodgers. Alex P. Mets, Nats. Alvin with the Blue Jays. Ammo D. Brewers. Andrew H. White Sox and Astros. Brandon A. Orioles. Brett P. Yanks and D-backs. Christian L. Rangers. Eric A. Rockies. Jeff G. Rays. Jeffrey H. Padres. Jerry W. Braves. Joe S. Pirates. Kat J. Angels. Kendall M. Cardinals. Kenny with the Cubs. Lenore J. Mariners. Noah K. Tigers. Ryan C. Phillies. Sean V. Reds. Sean D. Red Sox. Timothy M. Giants. Wayne P. Royals. Marlins. Twins. So good luck, everybody. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here we go. Gold is Michael Rucker to 50 for the Phillies. Quick strides. That's auto pack.
It was right, yeah.
Base, Matt Tice. It'll be a gold. Jackson Merrill to 50 on the debut. Nice one there, Padres. And Bailey Falter. Sapphire selections, Mason Wynn. Congrats, Cardinals. Nice one there. And Bronx Bombers. Base. It's like a red auto come out of this one. That'd be awesome. There's an orange Jordan Montgomery for the Diamondbacks. That's Arizona. And Yasmani Grandal. And base and auto pack. Good luck here, everybody. Let's see what we got. Be a base auto of Shota Imanaga. There you go, Kenny. I had a feeling we are going to hit an Imanaga in this one. Let's go, buddy. To 199. Congrats. And Abraham Toro. That one's okay. Got JJG picking up a 1-in-1 spot in number 2. 21 to go on that. Almost under 20, everybody, on 1-in-1. Thank you all so much. That is fantastic. Gold is Uriel Rodriguez to 50 for the Blue Jays. And a Brent Suter auto pack. Base. Gold is Nate Pearson to 50 for the Blue Jays and Scott Barlow. Scott Luke Raley. Base. Orange is Anthony Molina and Evan Justice on the dual rookie for the Rockies, both in their City Connects to 25. John Singleton. Which bowl game, Brandon? And base. I'm assuming this one right here. And we got a green rookie auto of Jackson Chourio to 99. There we go, Brewers. 26 of 99. Congrats on that. Get that into a mag as well.
Chourio kind of day.
It really is, honestly. David N. picking up a 1-in-1 spot. 20 to go on 1-in-1. Let's go. Got 3 more 1-in-1 breaks with spots left this afternoon here, everybody. Tim L. picking up a dual case spot. Gold is Hobie Milner to 50 for the Brewers. Nick Gordon. Bryce Wilson. There's a black of Michael Stefanik, 3 of 10 for the Angels. Nice one there on the black sapphire. Carson Kelly. That is a gold Stephen Kolek to 50. Congrats on that, Padres. And a Robbie Grossman. I'm with you on that, Vaughn. I need to see the Wemby downtown as well. That is going to be a stupidly expensive card. And base auto at Kyle Manzardo. Nice one there to $199 going to the guards. And Jesse Winker.
little brother texts me. Only time he reaches out is if he's on the side of the road or really needs something.
Classic little brother right there.
Yeah. I'll make you nervous.
Oh yeah, very true. Orange, Kirby Yates to 25 for the Rangers, and a Pierce Johnson. Gold is Jackson Holiday on the debut to 50. Congrats on that one, Orioles. Very nice. Red is Tyler Wade, 5 of 5 for the Padres. Congrats on that one. Calzone was the move. Let's go, Vaughn. All smiles. 1, 2, 3 left, 4, 5, 6 right on any of the non-numbered duels. If we get a numbered one, separate dice roll. It'll be a 5. Duels will go to the right. So that'll go to the Mets and Lindor and Ildemaro Vargas. We should have our auto pack here. It is Jason Dominguez to 199. Congrats, Yanks. Get that into a mag as well. Very nice. That is gorgeous. And a Bright Horizon. Thank you, Shamez, picking up a Random Team Fanatics Underwrapped Jerseys spot. All right. Here we go. Gold is Joey Votto to 50 for the Blue Jays. And Astros no-hitter. But as a black, Alec Jacob to 10, rookie for the Padres. Congrats, San Diego. Let's go with that gold Merrill. Orange is Graham Pauley to 25 for the Padres. Keegan Aiken. We've got a gold rookie auto, Kyle Manzardo, going to the Guardians to 50. So 2 of the 5 autos were Kyle Manzardo. Congrats, Cleveland. Very nice. And Feltner. Again, everybody, we had a couple of mags. That's going to be the Dominguez to 199, and then a green Churio to 99 on the auto. That'll do it for the break, everybody. Thanks again for the fill. Got 1 and 1 coming up next.